Alright, here is my beautiful crazy teapot that I had to do 3 times. Well, that's unfortunate. I didn't see that before, but too late now, I guess. But yeah, this is my crazy teapot. Took me 3 times to do this, and yeah, finally did it. And I believe it was it was cloning one of these sections and attaching these nozzle things up there that was giving me the most trouble, but it's done. Finished. It's crazy looking. Looks like an octopus, but probably what it's supposed to look like. A really weird vase octopus thing. It reminds me more of a vase than a teapot, but hey, it's done. So that's good.